My biggest fear about climate change is that a large part of the Fremantle West End will be flooded.
Obviously, the impact is going to have on humans.
Climate change refugees across the world. We have a refugee issue as it is.
Scary in the sense that we've got several decades where the actual events, weather events, are going to get worse, and that will include storm surges that could well impact on Fremantle.
Similar to what's happening on the East Coast today, why do we have to wait until we get damaged by the weather conditions before we start to do something about it? I think we need to be aware of what we could expect and be prepared.
I'm a real believer in community-led solutions to those things, and so I've got a lot of ideas around that. And I think sometimes the best thing the local council can do is ask the community specifically, what do you need? And then kind of get out of the way and let the community get on with it.
If we can get businesses in Fremantle, we can get individuals in Fremantle to sort of do their part. Things like waste, obviously, things like, alternatives, green alternatives, things like that.
Would love to see water tanks becoming mandatory at residential development.
Fremantle has been a leader in this through projects like WGV and East Village, and we need to show the rest of the world how a local government can become net zero and do it with ease.
The signs are around us, so we need to be in touch with our environment and come up with some of these solutions.